Continuing with the Brownells single action revolver maintenance series with disassembly covered in part 1, in this video we'll be going over proper cleaning. We'll begin by securing the gun in a padded vise to clean the barrel. Once secured, you'll need a pistol cleaning rod, the appropriate caliber bore brushes, bore mops or patches, and a suitable cleaning solvent. Before we start, we'll tie a rag around the rear of the cylinder window to prevent damage to the frame if our cleaning rod were to slip. So with the frame secured and protected, we'll start cleaning by running a solvent-soaked patch or mop down the bore and let it sit for a few minutes to loosen things up. Next, we'll switch to a bore brush and run it back and forth through the bore to scrub out any fouling. Make 10 to 15 complete strokes. Then we'll switch back to our jag and follow up with a few solvent-soaked patches to wipe out the bore. Next, run a clean, dry patch through and see how it looks. If the patch still shows signs of fouling, you'll want to repeat the procedure until all the fouling is removed. With the barrel now cleaned, we can move on to the cylinder. It should also be placed in a padded vise to free both hands and make the job easier. We'll clean each chamber in the cylinder with solvent and patches as we did the barrel, and switch to a chamber brush which is a little larger than a bore brush. A cleaning rod's rotating handle works great on rifled barrels, but a quick tip to make this job a little easier is to use a chamber rod with a non-rotating handle on the cylinder chambers. With each individual chamber now thoroughly cleaned, we can remove the cylinder from the vise and use a nylon brush to clean the exterior, paying close attention to the cylinder stop notches. Lastly, before moving on, we'll also want to clean out the hole in the middle for the base pin. This can be done with a swab or pipe cleaner. With the bore and cylinder now cleaned, it's worth noting if you notice large amounts of lead deposits not removed by traditional cleaning, consider using the Brownells Lewis Lead Remover. The Lewis Lead Remover kits in conjunction with JB bore paste are highly regarded by many Brownells customers and are specifically designed to make easy work of hard to remove lead buildup in the forcing cone, barrel, and chamber. With the barrel and cylinder cleaned, next the frame can be brushed out with a little solvent to remove any fouling, focusing specifically in the area around the rear of the barrel and the recoil shield. While we're here, we'll also take this opportunity to go over the grip area and inspect under the hammer in case there's dirt or debris hiding there. Once we're done with that, we can wipe the entire frame assembly with a cloth and then set it aside. Last but not least, the ejector housing and ejector can be cleaned to remove any debris that might affect reliability. The swab works great inside the housing, while the ejector and spring can be wiped down with a cloth. At this point, the gun is clean and ready for lubrication, which we'll cover in part 3.